What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Aca Acala token, which has gone for a major increase in value in the last 24 hours. As you guys can see here, a huge green candlestick. It has pumped up over 112% in the last 24 hours itself, majority of it coming from literally the last 12 hours here, and it is currently valued at just below 13 cents. So we'll be going through what is next for this crypto. Is it likely to pump up to 20-30 cents later on in November, December, and for the rest of the year 2024? Also going into 2025, is this a good investment? Is it too late to invest? Or if you're on a profit, should you sell it before it crashes back down, or should you hold on to it going into 2025? So we will be covering both buyers and sellers point of view, as well as short-term and long-term holders. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But just to point this out, we can see the crypto today itself has broken out from the red zone into the top, well, not top tier, but into the blue zone, and has dipped back down into the dark green zone right now, which is a good thing. However, it could also be on the worrying a little bit, because is broken out every resistance level. So can it be overvalued? Can it go for a price correction over the next couple of hours? We'll be going through that very shortly, but for now let me hide this and bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of Acala token, which is here in purple at 0.065 cents. However, the crypto is actually trading at a much higher value here in red at 13 cents, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we are looking a little bit skeptical. We have the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. However, the blue line is slightly slanting towards a negative direction, meaning we have two lines going the opposite direction to each other. So what does this mean for ACA is, according to a graph, an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected. So over the next 12 to 14 hours, towards the end of the day today, the crypto should essentially be hovering around the 13 cents target. However, I am expecting an overall minimal drop in value from Acala token. Reason being is it's pumped up quite a bit. Well, it's pumped up over 100% in the last, I'll say 14 to 16 hours, meaning it is slightly overvalued and is expected to go through a little bit of a price correction. So I'm expecting a dip down to just above 10 cents by the end of the day today. Again, do expect more green candles as well. It is likely to hit around 15-16 cents over the next couple of hours before it slowly starts to dip down, hitting more red candles, dropping down to just above 10 cents in value is what I'm expecting and predicting from ACA at the moment. So yes, guys, do expect an overall minimal drop. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? We have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. However, we have both the blue and the orange line looking very steep, heading towards the bullish direction, guys, meaning this is not realistic because it's looking way too steep. Reason is looking so steep is because of the major pump that's taken place, and the graph assumes that the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace over the next 7 to 8 days, which is not the case. Even though, yes, I'm expecting an overall minimal increase in value, I'm not expecting a major breakout or a major pump from the crypto at the moment. So by the end of next week, I'm expecting ACA to be hovering around 16 to 17 cents in value. So even though it is an increase from where it is at the moment, it's nothing major, it's not a breakout, it is a minimal increase in value, and that is also considering the red days that are likely to take place. So as I mentioned, the price correction over the next 12 to 14 hours is likely to carry on early to mid next week as well. It is likely to drop down to around 9 cents, 10 cents before it slowly starts to hit green candles by mid to end of next week, bringing it back up to around 16 to 17 cents by the end of next week. So moving on to the daily chart, again we have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish here, heading towards the positive direction. Once again, it is looking quite steep, exactly as the previous chart. It is not as realistic as it seems. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, guys, towards the very end of this year, early next year, Acala token should essentially be trading just above 20 to 22 cents in value. Even though it is an increase, I'm probably sure it's not as much of an increase as you guys probably thought. You guys are expecting it to hit 30, 40, 50 cents, which I'm not expecting at the moment. Even though I'm expecting Bitcoin to be heading over $100,000 over the next 2 to 3 weeks, yes, it will have a positive impact on the crypto market. However, after that, it should start to hit red candles, taking a little bit of a dip back down. Hence why I'm not expecting a major breakout. However, it is cryptocurrency. If things do take place unexpectedly, I will keep you guys updated on a regular basis, and I have been uploading on a regular basis. So if you guys want to stay in the loop on my predictions and takes on the crypto market, make sure you stay subscribed to the channel. But at the moment, I'm expecting it to hit around 22 to 23 cents by the end of the year. That's the max I'm expecting Acala token to hit at the moment. Let me know what your expectations are. So bringing on the Fibonacci scale, this is another reason why I'm expecting it to dip back down into the green zone over the next couple of days, because personally I'm predicting it to be overvalued right now due to the major breakout over the last couple of hours here, literally not resisting and breaking out through each resistance level. I'm expecting it to dip back down into the green zone. So let me know in the comment section down below how high you guys are expecting Acala token to go in 2024. As you guys can see, the trading volume has gone up over 1,000% in the last 24 hours, making it over $465 million in trading. So yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. Just a quick update on Acala token. I'm not going to keep you guys there for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.